Hello guys, welcome back to the final session of our mobile computing video series. In this chapter, we explore the wireless enterprise network, a key component in the modern business communication system. We will begin with an introduction to virtual network, how they operate in wireless environment to ensure the flexibility, scalability and secure connectivity. Then we will dive into Bluetooth technology and protocols, looking at how short range communication enables the devices interconnectivity and smart automation. These technologies are critical in the enterprise setups where seamless communication between the devices, people, and system is essential. So let's get ready to wrap up our series with this exciting and highly practical topic. So at first, the introduction to the virtual network in the wireless system. Virtual network in wireless system refer to the abstracted network environment where physical hardware is separated from services running on it. In enterprise setting, this allows businesses to dynamically manage the resources across the multiple devices and locations without being tied to physical infrastructure. Virtual private network VPN are a common example, providing encrypted access to the internal company network over public wireless connection. Wireless virtual LANs allow the IT teams to create segmented secure wireless network for different departments or roles in a company. Virtualization also supports cloud computing and software defined networking SDN, making it possible to deploy, monitor or scale services from remote servers over the wireless link. These networks provide enhanced security, centralized control and the ability to rapidly adapt to businesses' need. In disaster recovery and business continuity scenarios, virtual networks ensure operations can continue without on-premise dependencies. As IoT devices increase in the workplace, virtual networks enable the efficient and traffic management and secure communication. So ultimately, wireless virtual networks are crucial in making enterprise infrastructure more flexible and secure and future ready. So now, Bluetooth technology and protocols. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology that enables the devices to communicate over the distances, typically up to 10 meters. It operates in a 2.4 GHz ISM band and is widely used for personal area network (PAN). Bluetooth uses the frequency hopping spread spectrum to minimize the interference and improve the reliability. In enterprise environment, Bluetooth is employed for wireless peripherals like the keyboard, headset, printers, and barcode scanner. The Bluetooth protocol stack includes the baseband layer, which handles the physical connection like L2CAP, logical link control and adaptation protocol for data multiplexing, and higher level profiles such as HSP, HID. HSP means headset profile, HID means human interface device. Bluetooth Low Energy BLE introduced in Bluetooth 4.0 allows devices to maintain low power consumption, ideal for IoT application like asset tracking, environmental sensing. Security features like pairing, encryption, authentication ensure secure data transmission. Enterprise uses Bluetooth in smart office setups, employee or attendance tracking, proximity based services. So with support for mesh networking, modern Bluetooth versions can connect multiple devices in complex environment. So understanding Bluetooth protocols and applications is essential for designing the efficient wireless enabled enterprise system. So, and that concludes our final video in the mobile computing series. Today we explored the wireless enterprise network, learning how virtual network offer flexible and secure infrastructure and how Bluetooth technology powers seamless device communication in the modern workplace. So with this, you have gained a complete understanding of the major wireless technologies shaping mobile and the enterprise computing. So thank you for joining me throughout this journey. So if you found this series helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more educational content. Keep learning, stay connected, and I will see you in the next big tech adventure. And also we will share the PYQs, how to prepare for exam for this year for 8th semester examination. Okay, even same. Okay.